Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Miss Amanda Brini. I discuss everything health. To my returning viewers and subscribers, this is me saying thank you for sticking around and watching my videos. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to get pregnant with twins, or what increases your chances of conceiving twins. So before we move over to that, we need to know what twins are. So when I talk about twins, it literally means having more than one babies. It can be two, it can be three triplets, it can be four triplets and above. So if you conceive anything more than one, depending on the numbers, the name varies, but let's just, for the sake of this video, use twins to generalize them. So these twins can either be identical or non-identical, which is also known as the fraternal twins. They can be the same sex or different sex. That's gender as well. So what increases your chances of getting pregnant with twins? One is your race. That's where you come from. Research have shown that it's common for Africans to give birth to twins than the Asian, and it's also common for African America to also have twins more than other races. Okay, then you also have family history. So if you have like genetics of having twins in your family, like your aunt had twins, your mom is a twin, your dad is a twin, you have high chances of giving birth to twins as well. Then we also have age. Age also plays a factor. Research has shown that the older you are, the more chances to conceive twins. That's especially from 35 years to 40. And I know you'll be wondering why it's so. Because at this age bracket, they tend to produce more follicle stimulating hormones. And if you've been following my videos, you should know what follicle stimulating hormones are. These are hormones that stimulate the follicles, as the name implies. And in this age bracket, it's common to see twins that are not identical. That's fraternal twins. Then the next, we have foods that can increase your chances of giving birth to twins. So these foods are foods that are rich in folic acid. You have food like spinach, the avocado, the broccoli, legumes, and dairy products as well. So if you take these foods off from them, I think you are heading towards giving birth to a twins, or you had high chances of giving birth to a twins. Then we also have medication. But before I go into this medication, please, I'm placing a disclaimer. This is not me prescribing any drug for you or asking you to take any medication in order to get pregnant with twins. Because these medications, for you to be on these medications, you need to see a specialist doctor who will deem you free to have these medications for some reasons. And during the course of taking this medication, you need to be under a specialist care. You need to be looked after. You need to have a follow-up visit. Okay, so please don't wake up one morning and go to the pharmacy to purchase this drug. So drugs such as letrozole and clomiphene citrate, which is also known as Clomid, can give you high chances of conceiving twins because they stimulate the ovaries to release multiple eggs. So if you have multiple eggs in you and the sperm swims into them, it's going to fertilize them individually, leaving you with more than one babies. Okay, then we also have what we call the IVF, that is the in vitro fertilization. This is a fertilization technique where the lady's egg is fertilized with the sperm in the laboratory, that is technically outside the body. So after the fertilization has occurred outside the body, the fertilized egg, that is the embryo, it's now returned back to the lady's womb so they could be able to grow and develop. But mind you, this technique is very expensive and it's not what you just wake up one morning and do. Most times there should be a reason for that. Maybe if you're having difficulty in conceiving, or if you're trying to do what we call sex selections, I've made a video on sex selection as well, so I'll drop the link below if you've not watched it already. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching the video. If you really found value in this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button